Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Stout and I am also known as the Stamp Dog, and today I'm introducing my summer class bash. I have 3 fun classes for you. You can choose 1, 2, or all 3 of those. If you choose all 3, I've got some bonus projects for you as well. And basically you're just paying for the stamp set bundle. So 1 is a stamp and die set, 2 of them are stamp and punch sets. And then you're getting the card supplies for 4 cards for each class for free. So if you already own one of these bundles and you still want the class, all you need to do is just message me with a bundle that is the same value or more, and we can swap that out for you. So we want to try to get it as close to the same value as possible. So let me go over the 3 classes. The first one I have is with a stamp set called Tractor and Company, and this one is super cute. For those of you that don't know, I'm based out of Indiana, so we have lots and lots of tractors, but what I love about this particular stamp set is it's for all seasons. You've got pumpkins, you've got hay, you've got things you can do for birthday and for Christmas. It's just really super cute. So some of the cards I did were fun folds and some of them are just pretty simple. So here is card number 1. And this one is a fun fold. It says hey, and then you open it up like this. There we go. So you can see the full card. And that says it's your birthday. So a cute little birthday card. That would be great for just about anybody this time of year. The next one is just a simple fold, but this one is Thinking of You with some little pumpkins on it. Now you will get all of the pre-cut paper. The die cutting, I will provide you with the paper to cut those, and you'll get a PDF tutorial telling you how to put everything together. And then I had to do a Christmas card because this one has a nice little red tractor on it, and this one says Season's Greetings. And then this one opens just like this. So a little gatefold card. Okay. And then our final one is super cute for anybody that loves John Deere tractors. You probably will recognize this. And it just says, thanks for pulling me through. So a really cute class for you. All right, the next one is with a stamp set called Silly Safari. And here's that one. I think this one is perfect for kid cards. So if you've got grandkids or kids, this is going to be a perfect little set. And it comes along with a 1 7/8 inch circle punch. So this is a size we haven't had before, and these two coordinate really well together. So these cards are pretty clean and simple, but they do pack a nice little punch. So the first one here says Hakuna Matata. And then we have Woohoo, It's Your Birthday. And I will do all of these embossed backgrounds for you and provide you with all the paper. So you'll just need to do the stamping on these. And then this one says Happy Birthday, You Party Animal. And then this final one says Super Proud of You. So isn't that fun? Those are some really cute little cards for kids. And surprisingly, my favorite class was one that I've kind of stalled on a little bit because I didn't really love the stamp set when I first saw it, but once I started making projects with it, this was so awesome. So this one is called Terrific Toadstools. It's been around for a while, but it went out of stock for a while also. And it comes with a coordinating punch also. And all 4 cards in this class are fun folds. So we have first just a little thank you, and it opens up, let's see if I can do this backwards here, like this and like this. So you've got a nice little fun fold there. The next one says, You Are Magical. This is a little bookbinding fold. It opens up just like so. There we go. I'll bring that up so you can see a little bit better. And then we have Poppin' Up to Say Hi. And this one's really fun because it allows you to really showcase your designer series paper on it. And then we have one more that says You Are Magical. And it opens up just like so. And again, all of these are really great for showing off that designer series paper. And if you like that designer series paper and you order all 3 classes, so I do give you a little bit of a discount if you order all 3 classes, but if you order all 3, I'm going to also include $20 worth of Stampin' Up! Product. So you're going to get the Toadstool Gardens designer series paper, a full package of that, so you'll be able to continue to create with that. The purple adhesive back rhinestones, a full package of that, and then the fresh freesia ribbon. So all of those coordinate really well with that toadstool, the terrific toadstools. And then if you get 2 or more classes, so if you pick any 2, I have during the month of August a free with purchase class. So anyone that purchases $50 or more from me during the month of August will get the supplies to make these 3 cards. And for these 3, I'm doing most of your die cutting for you, and so you really will just need to have greetings for these. But these all feature the in colors, which are on sale this month for 15% off. So you would need the little greeting there. You could switch that out for something else that you have, but I will do all your die cutting for you. And then here's card number 2, and the background is embossed. That will be done for you. You'll get the ribbon to do that with. I won't be giving you the embellishments unless you order $75 or more. So if you get 3 or more classes, then you could get the embellishments with that. And then the final one is this one right here. So again, you would need something for the greeting on that, but everything else is included. And one more thing, so those are the classes. So again, if you ordered all 3 classes, you would have enough to make, 15 cards. So that's pretty good. So another thing I'm going to go ahead and show you, I'm going to keep this available through September, but we're going into the busiest card making season of the year. So I have lots of people that like to do Christmas cards, so I want you to be prepared with my adhesive kit. So the adhesive kit contains mini glue dots, the multi-purpose liquid glue, Stampin' Dimensionals, Stampin' Seal Plus, because that's going to hold your cards together really good, plus a refill, and tear and tape, and then I also include a little adhesive remover with that. And it comes in this cute little pouch, so you can just carry that along with you if you're going to a crop or anything, and you can add that on. So that is an add-on in the classes, so you're welcome to get one of those at any time, and I will keep those available through the end of September. So you've got about a week and a half that you can order these classes. I'm planning on shipping them at the end of August, so you should have them the first week of September. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to put the link to order any of the classes in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask. I'm happy to answer anything. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great week.